Hi everybody, I am Bodiuzzaman Rasel. Welcome to a new English lesson today. You are going to learn how to memorize new vocabulary faster and 9 tips that are going to take your English to the next level. So let's start. No matter how good your grammar is, if you don't know any words that you can use it with, you literally won't get very far with your language skills. Vocabulary opens up doors to new worlds and makes learning fun and satisfying. But expanding the range of words you know is like a diet. You have to put in some effort, and there's neither one approach fits all way to do it. Everyone has to find what works for them, but being patient, setting realistic goals, and rewarding yourself if you reach them are a good strategy that can be complemented with any of the following points. Those points are: use memory techniques, create a learning environment, put the words in context, learn from real life situation, take it to the next level, find the tools that work for you, make it interactive, focus on useful words, repeat and then repeat some more words.